So, nandito tayo ngayon ulit and we would like to invite you on the National Low Carb Day 2024. And of course, yung pinakamamahal nating low carb pediatrician, triathlon, at super amazing Doc Brian Castillo is gonna be with us also on the National Low Carb Day. Doc Brian, ano bang i-expect natin sa National Low Carb Day with you and which station will you be in case meron silang tanong?
Yes, nandun po ako doon sa strict low carb. So, kung may mga health conditions, eto dapat sa inyo. Strict at meron nakamonitor na doctor and a coach. And of course, pag-uusapan natin how to do that, lalo na sa mga health conditions ninyo. Doon sa mga walang idea sa nutrition about low carb, during their endurance training, andun ako.
See you on National Low Carb Day! Unity in Diversity!